Hey, welcome to the channel. Quick one today. I paid $1 for an AI coding tool. I got $10 of credits, and those $10 behave like 40. Sounds like marketing fiction, right? I thought so too, so I paid the dollar. Let me show you what's actually going on. The tool's called Command Code, terminal-based AI coding agent. Same category as Claude Code or Cursor. If you've used Claude Code, you'll feel right at home. The CLI looks almost identical. Most of the slash commands are the same. The one thing that's different is the memory file. Claude Code calls it CLAUDE.md. Command Code calls it AGENTS.md. Same idea. What Command Code adds is a learning layer called Taste1. More on that in a sec. And much, much cheaper pricing. That's the Go plan. $1 a month. $10 in credits. Pay 1, get 10. Cool. Nothing crazy. Except their pricing page says you can get up to $40 of DeepSeek V4 Pro out of it, which doesn't add up, unless something else is happening. Something else is happening. A couple days ago, DeepSeek made V4 Pro 75% cheaper, permanently. Input tokens went from $1.74 per million down to 43 cents. Output from 348 down to 87. That's a real price drop. From DeepSeek themselves, not a coupon. Command Code passes that straight through as a credit multiplier. $10 in credits, 4 times the usage, $40 of API calls. That's the 40. The model just got way cheaper. Your credit stretched to match. Same idea with Qwen 3.7 Max. 2 times multiplier on that one, 10 becomes 20. But heads up, that one expires June 22nd. Goes back to full price after. The DeepSeek discount sticks around. Fair question though. Why go through Command Code at all? DeepSeek V4 Pro is right there on DeepSeek's own API. Same 43 cents. The discount is DeepSeek's, not Command Code's. So why pay a middleman? 2 reasons. 1. Go direct to DeepSeek. Your dollar buys you $1 of tokens. Go through Command Code. Your dollar buys $10 of credits. At the same rates. They're literally eating the difference to get you in the door. Which means right now, Command Code is the cheapest place on the internet to use DeepSeek V4 Pro. 2. DeepSeek's API gives you tokens. That's it. You'd still need to build the CLI, wire up tool calling, manage context, keep the agent loop from falling apart. Command Code ships all of that. Plus Taste1. It watches what you accept and reject, picks up your style, and starts applying it automatically. So you're not just buying tokens. You're buying tokens plus a working coding agent for less than the tokens alone cost going direct. Before we set this up, the honest catches. It's a subscription, $1 a month, every month until you cancel. I don't know how long they'll run this. Looks like a customer acquisition push to me, so I'd use it while it lasts. Set a reminder if you want to cancel before renewal. The 4 times multiplier only applies to DeepSeek V4 Pro. Other open models on Go run at normal rates. No premium models on Go. No Opus, no GPT-5, no Gemini. Want those? You're on Pro at $15. 15,000 requests per month is the cap. Fine for side projects, not fine if you're agent looping all day. One more thing, Command Code also offers raw API access in Anthropic or OpenAI format across every model they support. Plug it into your own scripts, your own tools, whatever, but not on Go. Pro and up only. Makes sense, honestly. A $1 plan with open API access would get destroyed. Alright, setup. Head to commandcode.ai, sign up, pick the Go plan, $1 charged, $10 of credits show up in your account. Before the terminal, we need an API key. Go to Studio, API Keys tab. Create a new key, name it, copy it somewhere safe. You won't see it again after you close that dialog, so don't lose it. Quick heads up, this key works inside the CLI. It won't work hitting external API endpoints on Go. That's a Pro plan thing. For us, it's just for the CLI. Over to the terminal. npm install -g command -code. Run command -code in your project folder. It'll ask for the key on first launch. Paste it in. Then /model, pick DeepSeek V4 Pro from the list. That's it, under 2 minutes. For the demo, I wanted to give it something real, so I asked it to build a landing page for a fictional analytics product called Pulse. Just one prompt, one shot, no back and forth. I want to be upfront. This is the floor, not the ceiling. You iterate to get production quality. I'm showing you what happens on the first try. Here's what it gave me. Honestly, better than I expected. Yeah, the copy's generic. Hero section says ship faster or whatever. Looks like every other landing page on the internet. That's AI slop, I know. You'd iterate on it. But the structure, the instincts, for one prompt on a model running through a $1 plan, that's pretty good. So, should you buy it? If you've been curious about DeepSeek V4 Pro but couldn't be bothered setting up API keys, this is the path of least resistance. $1 to actually find out. If you're already on Claude Opus and it's working for you, this isn't replacing it. Open models get you 80% there. The last 20 is what Opus is for. But if you just want to see what an open model coding agent feels like for less than a coffee, yeah, try it. Links in the description. Not affiliated, not sponsored, just thought the math was worth showing. Quick thing before you go. If this was useful, a like or a comment helps a lot. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribing tells me to keep going. I don't do clickbait. I don't pad videos to hit 10 minutes. If something can be explained in 5, I explain it in 5. If I find a deal worth sharing, I show you the math, I show you the catches, and I tell you when it's not worth it. That's the whole deal. No filler, no fake hype. So if that's the kind of stuff you want to see, you know what to do. Catch you in the next one.